All right, from the very beginning of this project, our clients came to us and said, we want a house that's going to be super energy efficient and durable, and part of that is providing renewables on site. They wanted a ground-based solar array. I was thrilled. I was like, yeah, you got the land for it. We've got nothing but sun out here on the prairie. I don't have any experience with ground-based solar array. Who do I talk to? And enter Carson Taves, solarset.co on Instagram. You guys make a really unique solution for that. Can you explain how you arrived at this?
Yeah, we're in the oil field. We build pumping equipment in our shop.
Okay.
Got a little slow, so we started building these things. Same shop, same employees, but fabricating solar equipment in a factory setting like we do with our pumps.
Brilliant.
Instead of oil field equipment.
So just so I understand, this is, and you'll see it in the time lapse, there's 2 units that get pulled together to make up this, I think it's about a 12 kW system, but you guys offer, you said you've done one that's like 100 kW, like massive, 8 times what this is.
Yeah, our smallest unit is a 2-panel, a little different design than this. Our biggest unit is, we haven't ever done those because we don't know what our biggest unit is. We just keep adding.
You just keep linking up.
That's right.
So it's cool because it's modular. It arrives on a normal truck. There's nothing weird about it. You backed it off with a little mini skid, put a couple wheels on it and brought it down the hill. And basically it just needs to make sure to be east-west.
Yep.
You unfurled the big reveal of the panels facing the sun. But on the back side, we've got some other cool kit. Maybe you can explain that to us.
Yeah.
Let's walk around. So each one of these panels produces about how much energy?
Bifacial rating is about 700 watts.
Okay. And we're providing power to what's about a 3,000 square foot house. The critical loads panel that's in there, we can run almost the entire house off of this unit. And we've got a couple of battery boxes here in the inverter. Can you just talk through this kit and maybe do a little show and tell?
Yeah. So these are the batteries. In Colorado, we have...
In here?
Yep.
Can we open?
We have very cold weather where we're at. It gets to negative 30, negative 35 degrees. So we wanted a system that could be outside, be packaged like we do in a factory setting. Mm-hmm. And a lot of times these things are on when they're going down the road. They're generating power, they're filling the batteries. We wanted it to be that ready to use. So
that's awesome. The
battery box here is insulated. It's got a heater that kicks on at about 40 degrees to keep the batteries warm.
Nice.
And it's got a fan when they get too hot.
So there's your venting
in some cases, like in Arizona, we have a dealer in Arizona. They sometimes ask for coolers hooked to the back of the cabinet. We've done that before, but usually not necessary unless you're in Arizona.
So I've got 2 batteries in here, I've got 3 in here. They run to the inverter, and that's changing the DC energy that we capture at the PV panel into an AC that we can use at the house. Is that right?
That's correct, yep.